Forming equations. An equation is made up of two expressions that are separated by an equal sign. For example, 4 plus 5 equals 3 square. Our L is equal to 3 times W, where L is length, W is width. To form an equation from the given information, you must first create an expression that is equal to a value or another expression. To do this, define a variable, write the equation using the variable. It helps to be aware of alternative terms for fundamental operations. Addition. For addition, it is sum, total, more than, increase, etc. For subtraction, the word difference, less than, decrease, etc. are used. For multiplication, product, lots of, times as many, double, triple, etc. For division, shared, split, grouped, halved, quartered, etc. Worked example. Oranges cost 21 cents each. Alex buys X oranges and Bobby buys X plus 2 oranges. The total cost of these oranges is $4.20. Find the value of X. The cost of an orange in dollars. Cost of orange is 21 cents. We will convert it into dollars. So 21 over 100 equals $0.21. The cost of Alex's oranges is 0.21x. The cost of Bobby's oranges is 0.21 into x plus 2. The cost of all the oranges that are bought, 0.21 into x plus 0.21 into x plus 2 is equal to 4.20. Now it will be expand the brackets and collect like terms. 0.21x plus 0.21x plus 0.42 equals 4.0. So it will be 0.42x plus 0.42 equals 4.20. 0.42x equals 4.20 minus 0.42. Now solve for x. So x will be equal to 9. The result is 9. Forming equations from shapes. To form an equation involving the area or perimeter of a two-dimensional shape, examine the question carefully to determine whether it involves area or perimeter. If no diagram is provided, it is almost always have a good idea to draw one quickly. Add any information from the question to the diagram. If the question is about perimeter, determine which sides are equal in length and add them together. If the question involves area, write down the formula for that shape's area. Examination tips. Carefully annotate the diagrams using a pencil. You may discover that the majority of your work for a question is on the diagram itself. Read the question carefully. Don't find the area if it's looking for the perimeter. Don't find the volume if it's looking for the surface area, and so on. Worked example. In this part, all measurements are in meters. A rectangle is given. The diagram shows a rectangle. The area of the rectangle is 310 meters square. Work out the value of W. As the given shape is a rectangle, the parallel sides are equal. So 5x minus 9 is equal to 3x plus 7. Now solve for x. 5x minus 3x equals 7 plus 9. 2x equals 16. So x is equal to 8. Substitute x is equal to 8 in 3x plus 7 or 5x minus 9 to get the length of the rectangle. So we substitute it into 5x minus 9. The answer is 31. So length of the rectangle is 31. As area of the rectangle is given by area equals length times width. Substitute the value of area and the value of length in this formula. Area is given, which is 310, and length is now 31 multiplied by width is W. Solve for W. W equals 310 over 31. So W is equal to 10. Hence the result. To form an equation involving the angles in a two-dimensional shape, examine the question carefully to determine whether it involves angles. If no diagram is provided, it is almost always a good idea to draw the one quickly. Add any information given in the question to the diagram. Use angle properties. Look for key information that can provide additional information about the angles. To form an equation involving the surface area or volume of a three-dimensional shape, examine the question carefully to determine whether it involves the surface area or volume. If no diagram is provided, it is almost always a good idea to draw one quickly. Add any information given in the question to the diagram. Write down the necessary formula. Worked example. In the diagram, K, L and M lie on a circle, center is O. Angle KML is 2x degrees and reflex angle KOL is 11x degree. Find the value of x. As the circle theorem states that the angle at center of the circle is twice the angle at circumference. So angle KOL will be equal to 2 into angle KML. Angle KOL equals 2 into 2x degree equals 4x degrees. Put this information onto the diagram. This angle is 2x, this angle is 4x, and remaining angle at center is 11x. Angles around a point add up to 360 degrees. So this 11x plus 4x equals 360 degrees. Now solve for x. 15x equals 360, x equals 360 over 15, and x is equal to 24. Test yourself. Question number 1. Ahmed sells different types of cake in his shop. The cost of each cake depends on its type and its size. Every small cake costs X dollar and every large cake costs 2x plus $1. The total cost of 3 small lemon cakes and 2 large lemon cakes is $12.36. Find the cost of a small lemon cake. It's a 3-mark question. Its other part is the cost of 18 small chocolate cakes is the same as the cost of 7 large chocolate cakes. Find the cost of a small chocolate cake. It's a 3-mark question. Question number 2. The angles of a quadrilateral are x degree, x plus 5 degree, 2x minus 25 degrees and x plus 10 degrees. Find the value of x. It's a 3-mark question. Question number 3. Factorize y square plus 5y minus 84. It's a 2-mark question. The area of the rectangle is 84 centimeters square. Find the perimeter. A rectangle is given and it's a 2-mark question.